Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK tries the direct breakout higher, or at least an extension higher in wave 3. I think at this point it is, you could say, safe to say that wave 4 indeed bottomed in this trading area, in this trend reversal area around the 8th of January. We're now in this circle wave 5, and the target I've been mentioning for the last couple of months for this fifth wave has been $21 plus. It might already go for it in this wave 3 of circle wave 5, which means that the target for wave 5 of 5 is going to be even higher, because the longer the third wave stretches, the longer the fifth wave will be as well. Okay, so at the moment, until proven otherwise, we're still here in a bullish cycle. We're still in wave 1, this first 5-wave pattern to the upside. And it is typically wise not to assume a top or confirm a top until first micro support levels break. So for example, at the moment, and I have to adjust this support region with the price for wave 4, but until $15.59 breaks to the downside, we have no top in place. So we focus on higher, all right? Because you never know, extensions are always possible. They just cannot be predicted. So from a tactical point of view, it makes sense to just identify support. Okay, where's support? What's the trend? The trend is up. And then we just go with the flow. Once ideal targets have been reached, we just go with the flow. For the last couple of months, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, I've been mentioning $21 plus, intentionally 21 plus, as target for this move up. And most importantly, I mean, whether we arrive there in wave 5 of 5 or 3 of 5 is really secondary. Most importantly, we have nearly reached our target, and it looks like LINK might go for it even in this third wave. So that's good to see. So now let's take a look at the structure itself. And we can still only see really like 3 waves up, okay? So my interpretation is that this here is still our wave 1, then an A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down into support. That was a place to, find a position for anybody who missed this one. Then obviously we seem to be moving up in this third wave now, which might still be extending. And at some point we should see wave 4, but as I said already last few days, as long as we're holding above that support range or region, we should focus on higher, whether wave 4 has started or not. But really a more substantial top can only be confirmed once we see a break below the 61.8 retracement. In this case, $15.59. It seems like a top is close, okay? But obviously we've been consolidating now for a couple of months. So give that breakout a little bit of room, allow it to run, allow it to get exhausted. And we're not at the point of exhaustion yet. It still seems like we need that 4-5 pattern that I mentioned already throughout last week. So it's really going well on the LINK chart, really following nicely the wave count. The third wave, as I said, is likely extending. We broke above these micro resistances, and the $21 level is basically the next main target for wave 3. Let's see if we can find a reaction there, maybe start wave 4 there, and then get the wave 5 done. Or maybe we extend a little higher in wave 3. That's, of course, always possible. Okay, let's take a look at some Fibonacci extensions specifically for wave 3, because the minimum expectations have been fulfilled with it reaching $18. So now we've arrived at the 1.618 extension, which is not an uncommon extension level for wave 3. The next one would be $20.21, and then here at the $21 level is actually the next one after that. So basically $21 target. Happy with that. Whether it's reached in wave 3 still or already in wave 5, it's only secondary. If it's reached in wave 3, which it seems like it will be, then basically the wave 5 target will be shifted a little higher to $24, maybe even $29. So that's something to watch for. And LINK going well. Not much more to add. At the moment, well, I think it's worth to note that, this micro support area here, which is for wave 4 of circle wave 5, has to be adjusted with the price. So as this third wave extends, I have to move it higher and higher and higher. And if the wave 4 then hits, it should not break below the golden ratio level, which is a 61.8 retracement of the third wave. Ideally, not even below the 50% Fib level. That's at $16.28. Yeah, not much more to add. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.